name's Chloe and I'm an 11th grader at Okemos High School. Over the summer, I've been doing a lot of reading and doing some art projects. It's been really fun. Now I'm excited for school to start, and for the first time, Okemos is starting online. So here I have 7 tips on how to be successful on your Zoom calls. Step 1. It's really important to be on time for your Zoom meetings. Your teachers have really important things to share with you, and you don't want to miss them. Step 2. Make sure you aren't distracted on your Zoom calls. Look at me. I'm calling people on the phone and texting. How could I be paying attention to what my teacher's doing that way? I need to stop. Step 3 is making sure you're not in a messy environment. Look at this. We have to clean this up. Perfect. Now I can focus on my Zoom. Step 4 is trying to make the room you do your Zoom calls in as quiet as possible. If that means shutting the door, you could shut the door just like I did. Sometimes your teacher asks you to mute yourself. The mute button is at the bottom left of the screen, and you can click it on and off just like I'm doing in the video. It's possible your teacher might want you to use the chat function. For that, press the chat button at the bottom of the screen in the middle. Then you can write your message. Make sure it's appropriate. And lastly, of course, it's important to be kind and respectful to your teachers and your classmates. Thank you so much for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, and have a great school year.